Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a look at the market share for Windows 10 and 11. We've got new numbers that have arrived from AdDuplex. AdDuplex gets its numbers by actually looking at 60,000 PCs through the Microsoft Store that downloaded apps, and then it actually looks at how many are in each category of Windows. Well, Windows 11 is now at 8.6%. That's up 3.6% from the 5% that Windows 11 was last month. So it's actually continuing its progress. Well, it'll be interesting to see with Microsoft now saying that the upgrade pace is going faster. How much next month is going to be. And, we're going to be in 2022 after that. How many PCs will be on Windows 11 by the end of next year is going to be a good indication of how well received and how many people are actually moving on. Now, as Windows 11 reaches close to 10% at some point, and probably will be there in December, if you count that Microsoft is always giving out the number of 1.5 billion PCs out there, that means 150 million PCs will now have already reached Windows 11. Now here there's no separation between those that are supported or not. I'm not sure there's a way to actually see that through any of the ways that they use. So there are probably some unsupported hardware in the 8.6% here. One interesting fact about the Windows 11 insiders is that it was almost 1% at some point a few months ago, and now it's at 0.3. So it shows that a lot of people in June jumped to the insiders to get Windows 11 before everybody else. But once Windows 11 actually was released, they got out of the insider rings to get back into the standard stable version of Windows 11. The dominant versions of Windows, 21H1 and 20H2, together they make 68.1% of all PCs running Windows 10 right now and running Windows in general. So that's the majority of you guys are both on either 20H2 or 21H1, which are very similar and don't have that many differences. 21H2 has reached 3.7%, which is not bad considering that it came out only a couple of weeks ago. And one interesting note that AdDuplex says it's the first time ever that an older version of Windows is released after a new version of Windows, which is Windows 11. Windows 11 came out on early October, while Windows 10 21H2 came out in November. So it's kind of an interesting data here. 11% are still on version 2004, and that is a big number considering that it only has a couple of weeks left, as this month's, December's Patch Tuesday security updates will be the last updates. That means that 11% of you out there will need to move on to either 21H1, 20H2, or 21H2, whatever you want, but you'll have to move on, as after December, your version of Windows 10 is going to be unsupported, which means it's going to actually be unsecure. So we're going to see what the numbers are at the end of next month. So interesting numbers here in the Windows operating system market share. Windows 11 marching slowly up 8.6%, 8.9% if you include the 0.3% insiders. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.